Hello, Math Olympians and families. This is Hancock, and I just wanted to tell you congratulations. And I thought it might be easier for me to show you the things that are coming in the mail to you or possibly delivered to your home. We finally got our box from the MOMS organization, and our team, Division E for Math Olympiad, we have earned 30 patches. So that's these. So 30 students will earn these patches. And you can put them wherever you want, your backpack, your laptop case, or save them in your memory box. And then 12 students have earned a silver pin. And that's this. It's really cute. It's blue with the silver behind it, and it has a little backing onto it, because you were either in the top 10% or the top 2%. And then we have one student who has earned the gold pin, and that was because they earned in the top 2%. And I'll go over what ranking you had and names in just a minute. And then we had a huge number of students who scored in the top 25% and also in the top 30, 40, and 50%. And so those percents don't just mean our school. We are talking nationwide, hundreds upon hundreds of schools competing, not just our nation, worldwide. So there were schools in New Zealand, Australia, Argentina, Brazil, England, all competing, all answering the same questions as you. So to earn top 2%, top 10%, even top 40%, all across the world with these other children are amazing. I'm going to work, now that we have the data, I'll work on typing a letter for you that explains all of that and gives you a little bit more information. For our fifth test, since we were not able to be there in person, we had an option to just take an average. So if you scored a 5.255, your fifth test, your score would be a 4. And they did that for all of the schools, and it actually wound up turning out to be a huge number of schools that needed to opt out of the fifth test. So that was really awesome that they were willing to accommodate. Moving forward this year, we can still have a virtual team. They're working on details, but as of now, it sounds like what they're going to do is have us get on a platform like Zoom or Google Meets, where we would see all 30 students or 35 students at the same time, and then we would take the test together. And then your answers would get submitted electronically online, and it saves Mrs. Wang and I some time from grading, which is awesome. But that would also help because if you're sick, you're still at home and you can still take the test and participate. As a whole team, again, every year we've earned this. Congratulations. Thank you. Highest Team Achievement Award for 2019-2020. And what that means is that our school was in the top 10%. The top 10% worldwide against all of these other schools that were competing. Our scores, even missing the fifth test and having to take an average, still got us the top 10%. So I know how hard you've been working, and Mrs. Wang was just blown away by the awards that we earned for our school and for yourselves, and we really just want you to keep honoring that system of math. Okay, so in your bag, you will more than likely earn a patch. Okay, so 30 out of 33 students earned a patch. You'll get a pin if you're top 12 in our team. So you earned top 10% or 2%. Our first place will earn the gold pin. This will be on display, I think, in our media room now. They've collected all of our trophies, so they're trying to find one place to put them all. And if you are honorable mention, second place, this goes to Brandon Wang. Congratulations. And then our first position, top 2%, Philip Kim. So you'll also be getting these along with your other awards. For the rest of you, your envelope will come in the mail like this, or delivered. In the top left is your team position. So this student is first position, scoring in the top 2%. This student is one of the 6 students who tied for 3rd place on our team. They scored in the top 10% worldwide. Or like this student is in 14th place, scored in this top 20% worldwide. Okay, so you have your team position score and then your world position score. If you don't have a second score written, so if your position is 31, 32, or 33, that's because you didn't meet that ranking of the top 50%, but I could calculate for you what that score would be as far as your worldwide score. They just didn't provide it to me. Okay, so I'd like to just let you know who the top 10% and top 2% students are. So you have their names. So again, we have Philip Kim is in position 1, Brandon Wang, position 2, and then 3rd place, all in the same order, just alphabetical, Ashley On, Jacob Hahn, Jonathan Gian, Isaac Lee, Kevin Lee, Reva Sopti, Marcus, and then for 9th place, Marcus Chang, Clarissa Chow, Joshua Kim. For 12th place, we have Viviana and Samya. Okay, so the rest of you earned either top 20, 25, 30, 40, or 50, and I can provide you that information as well. I'll also be sending home, I have it in front of me now, you'll each get a certificate with your name on it, and then your coach's names as well. And we also have, I'll be sending you this letter that explains everything to you digitally, and then also a better draft of this letter from them explaining your competition. So congratulations. Trying to get these out as quick as possible. I have to work with the postage and printing to get everything put together. But now that we have the awards, we can get them all packaged up and sent to you. So I hope to see you virtually this school year. I hope you still sign up for our digital MOMS event. I will send out information to the whole school once I do get the information from the organization. And when we get to finally meet face-to-face, I hope you stop by, say hello to me, say hello to Mrs. Wang, and have a fabulous year. Bye.